Zachary Bushy, you know, the guy who knows everything. Just kidding, I know nothing. But today I will be talking, well, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in chilling, my battery's blinking red, but hopefully it makes it through this. But if you guys are listening, so thank you for everyone who is listening or watching, depending if you're on YouTube or podcast. You guys are amazing. Thanks for the continued support. But let's get into it. Alright, so I'm really hoping that I get through this video before my camera dies. So, let's get right into it. So, there's 4 main things that I want to talk about the update, which we're going to go step by step, but I'm going to... So let's just do it like this. It'll be easier. So number 1, extending reel videos. So reels are like videos, like kind of like TikToks that the Instagram platform has. They just renamed it, whatever. It's usually like 0 to 60 seconds, but they actually extended that to 90 seconds. So now you can have 90-second reels, which is a really cool concept, and it just adds a lot more room to talk about anything if you're marketing a product or service. It also super good move on Instagram because they now, if someone hooks anyone on first 10 seconds of a 90-second video, now they have them on the platform for 80 more seconds instead of 50 more seconds. So it keeps people on the platform longer, which also gives you more time as a marketer to find them, and it also gives you more time as a marketer to implement your content in a way that you hook them in the beginning, and you can just break down more, and you have more room to expand, more room to explain yourself, more room to explain the product or service you're providing, more room to say, hey, this is why you should do this with me, or anything. This is why you need this water bottle. It gives you more room, but it also helps Instagram as well. I'm not saying everyone's going to use it, because short form content is still doing amazing, like 7 seconds, 8 seconds. So I think it's more for like the loyal viewers of your stuff, but still it's super helpful, and it allows for more room for explanation and all that. So, number 2. Importing your own audio for reels, which I thought was really cool. So basically you can record anything and make it into a reel audio, so you don't have to stick with the ones they have, or just not have audio. So you can record anything, which I thought was really awesome because it gives more flexibility. It's going to be used so creatively. I know in the marketing field, in the personal field, I know there's going to be randoms that do a lot of crazy stuff with it, and I think it's going to be super exciting to see just how everything unfolds with that. Obviously I think there has to be some regulations for, like, obviously, laws, stuff like that. But I think it's a really cool concept to allow people just to make audio like that and you use it, and I'm just super excited to see how this goes. Number 3, pinning to your grid. I thought this was really cool. So you know how like Twitter has tweets, and you can pin a tweet to your profile, so it's always at the top, so when they load up your profile, they see, oh, this one, whatever it is. Maybe it explains who you are, what your business is, your why, what services you provide. Maybe it's a hyperlink to your YouTube, whatever. That's what they see first, because it's your first pinned tweet. And now they basically have that for Instagram, but you can pin top 3 posts on the top of your Instagram profile. So you can have 3 things. Either you can have like what product service you provide. You can have, it's been used so creatively so far. There's been people using it on like what our business is about, what we stand for, your business story, like carousels or anything like that. It's gonna be used so creatively. I just know it already, and you can, oh my gosh, I haven't even thought about this, but you make a big picture, you cut it in 3 posts, and then bam, your logo on top. That would be freaking awesome. Just pin that right at the top of your profile. That would be really good. I might do that, to be honest. I might do that with Quiver. So I'm giving myself ideas. Look at that. It's crazy. So this will be a really short video, but I am trying to hurry up because my camera's about to die. So number 4 is interactive reel stickers, which I didn't even know before I started researching for this video. But basically, you know, though, if you make an Instagram story, you can be like, what kind of toast do you like? And you can have like a little box where they can click it and respond, and then you'll get it. They have that for reels now. So you can have little quizzes, anything. It's just, this will drive engagement off reels so far. Because like I put a reel out, get like 3,000 to 5,000 views, and 2 to 3 comments. So if I throw maybe a sticker in there, like a quiz, so they could just click something, or like, what book do you like, or anything like that, a call to action. It's a call to action that's in their face when they're watching your reel. So I think it's going to be huge in this area. So I'm super excited to see how this goes and how people use it, because I'm definitely going to be using that a lot. So definitely keep an eye out for what I do with it and just what other people are doing with it. I think it's a super cool concept. I'm super excited. And yeah, but anyway, this whole update, as you could tell, is mostly about reels. And I could see why Instagram did this, is because short form video content and video content in general is just amazing. People are consuming so much video content that you just want to be there. And yeah, I think it's a smart move on Instagram. But all in all, I think this is a super cool update. And there are some other stuff that are like parental like settings in the background that I'm not going to mention right now. But it's an amazing update. Definitely look more into it. This is just like the top 4 things that I thought were really cool. But I'm super excited to implement these in my social media strategy for my clients. And I hope you guys use it as well. But once again, guys, if you enjoyed watching this video or listening to the podcast, just thank you for listening and being here. You guys mean the world to me. You're awesome. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Have a good one, guys. Bye.